Hey bud, let me just help you out. Okay. Forget everything you kind of know about who you should suck up to for a hot second. Alright, and I'm gonna tell you some people. Give you a list that you just don't mess with. Alright? You don't mess with the people who make your food. The people who take care of your kids, assistants, librarians, people who work in gas stations, and who else? Nurses and CNAs, janitors. Now, why? Right? One, a lot of people underestimate those types of people, right? Those people are often very, very, very intelligent. Not only that, their ears work and their eyes work, right? Not only that, they are oftentimes going through a lot of shit, and the fact that you choose to make their life worse, trust it will not bode well for you. It will not, right? These people are highly connected within the community. When they say the streets is talking, them's the streets. Okay? So a little word to the wise. Be careful who's around when you're talking to somebody. And be careful about who it actually likes the person you're talking about. You know? Because even if they're a solitude kind of person like me, right? I'm fully aware that a lot of people like me. And I'm fully aware that a lot of people respect the fact that I'm to myself, even when it comes to their presence. Okay? So that group of people, those two groups of people, you just don't mess with. If they start messing with you, you say, okay, that's an asshole, and you walk away. That's all. You don't realize just because they're not getting paid much, and this includes retail workers, just because they're not getting paid much, that don't mean they don't got influence and power in their community. Okay? So do us all a favor and wake up, alright?